Ever wonder why some websites always top Google search results? It's not luck, it's SEO. Let's break down SEO in 90 seconds. First up, keywords. These are the words people type when searching online. Sprinkle the right keywords throughout your site. Use them in titles, use them in headings, use them in descriptions, so Google knows what your page is about. Next, on-page SEO. Make your content easy to read. Add images with clear descriptions. Organize your site with simple navigation. Make it super user-friendly so visitors stay longer. Now, backlinks. Think of them as online endorsements. When reputable sites link to yours, Google sees it as a vote of confidence. Want more backlinks? Create awesome content people want to share. And don't forget technical SEO. Make sure your website loads fast. Make sure it looks great on mobile. Ensure it's free of broken links or errors. A smooth-running site keeps Google and visitors happy. Imagine starting on page 3 of Google. With these simple steps, climb to the top spot. More visibility means more clicks. More visibility means more customers. More visibility means more growth. Ready to get started? Start optimizing today and grow your business with SEO.